Alright, so now I have the timing chain, the timing guide, and the crankshaft gear assembled. Then you're going to drop this into the engine, but make sure that the timing chain guide's longest part is pointing towards the front of the car. Before you do that, make sure that you change the crankshaft seal. It is this black ring that I'm pointing to right here. Now, once you get the chain and guard dropped down into the motor, you're going to need something to hold the chain. So grab like a screwdriver or something straight to lay across the motor so that the chain doesn't fall down in it. Now, the crankshaft gear is lined up here, and what you're going to do is take the crankshaft hub and you're going to stick it right into the gear, right into the middle of the gear right there. Just to give you an example, I'm going to show you basically how to line it up right here. And then once you get it lined up right in the middle, you'll feel it. And then all you do is just push it straight in. Just like that right there. Now I put that screw in it so that I could hold it. It made it easier to push in. Alright, so what we're going to do is put the intake gear on, which is this one. This is the biggest one. Just like that. And then you have two screws. The biggest one or longest one goes in the intake gear right here. Just like that. Now we're going to get the exhaust gear. This is the back side. That goes against the motor. And then we're going to put the shorter bolt through it. Alright, so what we're going to do is get the bolts ready that go in the timing chain guide. This one right here is the top bolt. We got to put a new washer on it. It's a crush washer. And then this one right here, we're going to take out the old O-ring. It's no good. Just take it off. That's the old one. We'll get the new one here. Slide it on. Just like that. That's the new one. Same with this one. Take the old one off. Get the new one. Alright, so they're ready. Alright, so what we're going to do is put the first bolt for the timing guide in right here. It's this one right here. It's the one with the washer. And what we're going to do is put a little oil on it. I got a little cap. It has oil in it. I'm just going to rub it on it. Just like that. And then we're going to put it in. Screw it down just a little bit. And we have these two. They go down on the bottom. We're going to have to drop the motor down a little bit to put these in. Alright, so now we're going to put the two bottom ones in. Make sure you put oil on the O-rings here. I'm just going to oil the whole thing up. Same with the other one. Just like that. And it's going to go in here, right here. One's going to go there. And then the other one is on this side here. And then you tighten them up. All three. The two at the bottom and the one at the top. Alright, so now we're going to put the crank bolt in. It's right here. We're going to put oil on this too. So we're going to pour oil on it. All right, it goes right in the middle right here. Just like that. And we're going to tighten it down with an 18mm socket. Alright, so now we're going to put the top part of the timing guide on, which is this part right here. It goes right there. And then you put the two 8mm nuts in it.